Today, we will talk about why Bitcoin is a very useful commodity and not a multi-level Ponzi scheme. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. Not too long ago, I was talking to a nice human about my appreciation of Bitcoin. After a time, I got this weird vibe from him. That's when I realized he thinks I'm trying to sell him something. He thinks this is some sort of multi-level marketing scheme I'm foisting on him. He thinks I'm some low-level commission sales associate for some corporation called Bitcoin Ltd. And in some way, I will draw a percentage of profit from any Bitcoin purchase that he might make in the future. I felt insulted and hurt. But once again, it quickly occurred to me that he knows nothing about Bitcoin. Of course, he might think that I have some self-serving ulterior motive. This is what we have all experienced in the past. There must be some kind of grift here. How can altruism be the motive of someone's passion for a new and complex technology? So, I have to make this clear to him. Bitcoin doesn't have a boss. There is no Bitcoin corporation, no Bitcoin board of directors, no Bitcoin marketing and sales department, no Bitcoin legal department, no Bitcoin complaint call center, no Bitcoin hierarchy profiting from the lower caste. Yes, Bitcoin had an inventor. In 2008, an anonymous person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto gave the world Bitcoin. And when I say gave the world Bitcoin, that's exactly what Satoshi did. He showed everyone how to mine Bitcoin and how to take self-custody of it. And then he flat out disappeared and never once touched his substantial stack of coins or profited from them. And what became of this great gift is this. Bitcoin is the first and one and only commodity that links the digital world to the physical world. A commodity is an economic good that has fungibility. That's an odd word, fungibility. It kind of implies that it's fun. All it basically means, though, is that Bitcoin, like gold or oil, is made up of parts that are equal to each other. One Bitcoin is a commodity that can be divided into 100 million equal parts, all affectionately known as Satoshis. A commodity has economic purpose, usefulness, and value. Bitcoin can solve a great many problems and inequities in this world. That is why I talk about it. That is why I espouse it. I am a Bitcoiner. I just want to help. We have all heard the expression, money is the root of all evil. Well, Bitcoin fixes money. So maybe that evil root can be pulled out at last. Yes, I know, Bitcoin fixes money is a bold statement. But believe me, once you go down that rabbit hole, you will see that there is a lot about money that needs fixing. And we will delve into how Bitcoin accomplishes this as we go further down the road. Please follow me. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can go down this path of Bitcoin discovery together. And always remember that, just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle. That's what I'm trying to do. I am trying to find it correctly. I am not doing the mistakes on purpose.
Hey, I've got a lot more to say because this is really getting on my nerves. I really just want to get this done so I can make it work. And Rocco's going to be the only 3 pictures, whatever.
Bitcoin can solve a great many. Okay, that's it.